And also one thing I noticed that Indians are very pavam.
And that is so true. Pavam. Pavam is someone who is kind and innocent and considerate. जो दूसरों के लिए अपना आखिरी बाइट छोड़ देता है. खुद का फोन 2% पे हो फिर भी अपना चार्जर दे देता है. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि यही उनका नेचर है, बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स द ट्रूथ. You know, I read a quote that at some point in our lives हमें ये सिखाया गया था that being annoying is a sin. और हमसे कोई पाप ना हो जाए इस चक्कर में we overcompensate and shrink ourselves. We are scared to bother other people गलती से भी और come across as entitled in any way. And it's a good thing. सबको अपने अपने हिसाब से considerate होना चाहिए, but the problem is कि हमारे दिमाग में वो लाइन यहाँ पे है, when in reality वो लाइन वहाँ पे होती है and we are just shrinking ourselves. So, I'm taking up a little more space on the internet by making this video, 7 ideas that changed my life. And this is number 1, take up more space. If you're a creative person, you have to learn to capitalize the excitement. You know, when I'm making my videos, I randomly get an idea and I write it down. A week later or a month later, whenever I get time to work on it, I'm just not feeling it anymore. The idea is there, right in front of you, but that inspiration, that excitement that you had for the idea is just gone. So, one idea that has changed my life as a creative person is that you have to capitalize on the excitement. Reduce the time between ideation and execution. जैसे ही कोई idea आए, start working on it as soon as possible. Let the momentum of your excitement carry you through the process. This, our excitement, our feelings, is an underutilized resource. Maybe it's time we make good use of it. You are the average of 5 people you spend time with. Unless you are an introvert like me who doesn't even know 5 people. For me, a better metric is that you are the average of 5 projects you spend your time on. See, the truth is, you can't control who you're surrounded by, but you can control what you spend your time on. मुझे लगता है कि all of us in our 20s थोड़े थकेले हो गए. Job और gym और friends के बाहर भी there are things to do. Have you forgotten what it feels like to make something out of nothing or to see your progress or growth in something जिसमें तुम consistent efforts डाल रहे हो? So in 2025, try and go on some side quests. If you don't know where to start, try a new sport or join a hobby class or भाई blog start कर दो. This is like one thing that I can't say enough to people. You have to do cool things and make cool shit. Okay, so I have a really important question for you. Are you the one that is living your life or are you the one that is watching you live your life? इसको मेटाकॉग्निशन बोलते हैं and usually it's a good thing. It helps us be self-aware about our own thoughts and stops us from doing stupid things. इसका downside is कि it also stops us from doing things that seem stupid but are actually really fun, like cracking that silly joke or dancing like an idiot. डांस करते हुए भी लोग इतने कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं. ऐसे मोमेंट्स में you have to decide if you want to live your life like the liver or the observer. मेरा पर्सनल रूल ये है कि पूरी ज़िंदगी लिव लाइक एन ऑब्जर्वर, स्टे डिटैच फ्रॉम द रिजल्ट्स, डोंट गेट टू इमोशनल, बट इफ़ यू आर डांसिंग, डांस लाइक एन इडियट. सो अपना स्क्रोलिंग वोलिंग 5 मिनट के लिए छोड़ दो. जस्ट पुट ऑन योर फेवरेट पार्टी सॉन्ग और प्ले द सॉन्ग दैट इज कमिंग अप ऑन द स्क्रीन राइट नाउ एंड जस्ट डांस इट आउट.
Look, I know it's easy to say tonight was just a fluke, and maybe it was. But here's a piece of trivia. A fluke is one of the most common fish in the sea. So if you go fishing for a fluke, chances are you just might catch one.
And Kevin is right. So I'm currently watching Blue Lock and spoiler alert, episode 23 में after a really intense match, Ren's team finally beats Isagi's. Isagi बाद में उसको पूछता है, how did this happen? I thought I had it. I had a foolproof plan. What else do I need to beat you? Now Ren is one of the topmost players of the country and Isagi is expecting कि कुछ groundbreaking answer होगा. Ren doesn't even look back at him and he goes, it was just luck. Good players somehow seem to have a knack for being at the right place at the right time and we just dismiss it as luck. But if you watch them carefully, it's just that they are constantly moving, and because they're actively putting themselves in the path of opportunity, they are able to catch a fluke. So, all in all, I would say it was a decent fishing advice by Kevin. Lately, I've been working a little too hard without any results, so I've grown tired and impatient. And that's when I heard something which was somehow exactly what I needed to hear. So, when you work hard, the only thing you get out of it for sure is knowing that you worked hard. And that in itself is your reward. Like, that's the only thing you will get out of it. Nothing else, and you should not expect anything else. I first heard this in some Karan Gill video, but I can't for the life of me remember कि कौन सा video था. The thing about self-help advice like this is that 99% of it is true. But also that 99% of it is wasted simply because it doesn't come to us exactly at the right time. But this time, this advice reached me exactly when I needed it. So ये सुनने में काफ़ी obvious लग रहा होगा and हम बचपन से ये चीज़ें सुनते भी आ रहे हैं. कर्म कर, फल की चिंता ना कर and all that. But sometimes हम ऐसे well-known advice भी overlook कर देते हैं. And all you need is someone to give you a reminder. You know, आजकल instead of saying बोर हो रहा है कुछ करते हैं, I am saying चलो बोर होते हैं. A month ago, मैंने एक virtual group challenge organize किया था to collectively try and reduce our screen times, and I guess it worked. Consuming mindset में and creator mindset में there is a small bridge, the bridge of boredom. To create anything, you have to cross this bridge. Sometimes we don't let ourselves get bored because we are scared of our own thoughts and emotions. We are scared to spend time with just ourselves. But once you learn to get comfortable with yourself, it'll be like